5 jobs that will be replaced by AI in the next few years. 1. Data entry clerks. Data entry clerks are responsible for entering data into computer systems. This is a task that can easily be automated by AI. 2. Telemarketers. Telemarketers are responsible for making phone calls to potential customers in order to sell them products or services. This is another task that can be automated by AI. 3. Accountants. Accountants are responsible for keeping track of financial records and preparing financial statements. This is a task that is becoming increasingly automated by AI-powered accounting software. 4. Truck drivers. Truck drivers are responsible for driving trucks to transport goods from one location to another. This is a task that is already being automated by self-driving trucks. 5. Customer service representatives. Customer service representatives are responsible for answering customer questions and resolving customer issues. This is a task that can be automated by AI chatbots. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this.